Hello traders! All of you know how it's difficult to monitor many instruments while searching for good setups. The way out is to use a screener that probably make your hunting for good setups less exhausting and a little more automatic. Today we're talking about screeners for scalping. I will show you 5 free screeners that are easy to use. The first one is the screener by Syscap. Just visit Syscap Trading Diary and here you will see the section Screener. Choose it. There are two sections with Binance futures and FTX futures. The first column reflects the instrument. Clicking the link will redirect you to the corresponding exchange trading page. Clicking the plus will open the graph right here inside the screener itself. The price column obviously shows the current price of the instrument, and the following columns show the change in price in percentage per time frame: 5, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day in time frames correspondingly. It's easy to track the volatility of the instruments, and the screener automatically selects 10 most volatile instruments at the moment. The link for Syscap screener you will find under this video. The next screener I would like to show you is Arbitrage. The Arbitrage team has developed a cryptocurrency screener for tracking instruments on the Binance future market. More than 130 tools are available for tracking time frames from 5 minutes to 1 month. Long positions are highlighted in green, short positions in red. When you click on a specific instrument, two charts with extensive customization options open. Here you can sort out the instruments by categories. I recommend using this screener while preparing for your trading session in order to select the most volatile instruments. The next free-to-use screener is the screener from Binance. Here you can find very useful thing, namely the market map, reflecting the most volatile instruments. The bigger the section of the instrument, the higher is volatility. The volatility is measured by change in percentage per time frame that you can switch here. On the left part of the interface, you can also choose the instrument, apply an indicator, or compare the instrument with another one. Below, you can find the list of instruments where huge limit orders are detected, the name of the instruments, the amount of limit order in lots, contracts, in dollars, the distance between price and certain limit order in percentage. All this information you can find here indicated by columns. The amount of limit order in dollars is very crucial as far as it helps you to understand if this amount is reliable enough for certain instrument. Another very simple to use screener is Trendcore. The advantage of this screener is minimalism and simplicity. Bitcoin Guide scale shows you the trend of the BTC you should always pay attention to while searching for setups. In this table, as you see, you can track the most reliable amounts of limit orders with a display in lots and dollars. The display of densities is in dollars here, and the color reflects the amount. Yellow is big amount, purple is huge reliable one. The screen allows you to filter out the huge amounts of limit orders by your own setups. Here you can select the amount of limit orders you consider reliable, and here you can change the time frame. Below you can find the short instruction for the screener and the news line. The Trendcore is extremely effective in selecting few instruments intraday for scalping. It's easy to apply individual settings. The last one screener for today is a Screener Pro. The graph of the instruments and the tables with the same information as of previous ones make this screener the most minimalistic. Here you can find a very clear description of table elements in each column. For example, the force is the power of limit order. or its reliability. A rough estimate of the limit order erosion time is estimated by that formula. Another useful element is percentage column. It shows how many percents carded or increased the limit order. If we see 120%, then more volume has been added to the density. Density lifetime in minutes shows how long the density lasts. It helps us to understand how much density is real, not spoofed. Such elements help us to identify the real reliable limit order for using different strategies. I hope this information will help you in scalping. The video was prepared for the Syscap trading platform team. Thank you for your attention.